Welcome to the future of mobility. The world of electric vehicles is advancing at lightning speed, and today, we're looking at the latest game-changer in the market, the all-new Kia EV9. A vehicle designed for a sustainable tomorrow while offering an exhilarating experience today. The Kia EV9 is not just another electric vehicle, it's a statement of intent. Bold, innovative, and packed with cutting-edge technology, the EV9 stands as Kia's flagship electric SUV, showcasing their commitment to a greener future without compromising on power, luxury, or design. Let's start with the design. The EV9 embodies Kia's new design philosophy, opposites united, blending sleek lines with a rugged stance, making it perfect for city streets or off-road adventures. At over 5 meters long, this large SUV boasts a commanding road presence, but what really sets it apart is its futuristic aesthetic and its eco-friendly features. The interior is crafted with sustainability in mind, using eco-friendly materials like recycled plastics and plant-based leather. Every element inside the EV9 emphasizes comfort, elegance, and environmental consciousness. It's spacious, with room for up to 7 passengers, ensuring that you and your family can enjoy every ride in maximum comfort. The EV9 is packed with tech. Front and center is a massive, curved 27-inch digital display that merges both the instrument cluster and infotainment screen, offering a seamless user experience. Everything is at your fingertips: navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings, controlled through voice commands, a touch interface, or even gesture controls. Need directions to the nearest charging station? Just ask. The EV9 is equipped with a smart assistant that responds to your voice, making your drive easier and safer. And with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging, connectivity has never been more effortless. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the EV9 offers power that rivals some of the best traditional SUVs out there. With an estimated range of 300 to 350 miles on a single charge, the EV9 is ready to take you on those long-distance journeys without range anxiety. It features ultra-fast charging capabilities, made possible by its advanced 800V electrical architecture, which is designed to minimize charging time while maximizing efficiency. With this cutting-edge technology, you can charge the Kia EV9 from 10% to 80% in just under 25 minutes when using a DC fast charger. This impressive speed means that long waits at charging stations are a thing of the past. Imagine pulling into a station, grabbing a quick coffee or a bite to eat, and by the time you're finished, your EV9 is ready to hit the road again. Whether you're on a long-distance road trip or just need to top up during your daily commute, this rapid charging feature ensures that downtime is minimized and your journey continues smoothly, with minimal interruptions. For drivers who value both convenience and performance, this is a game-changer, making electric vehicle ownership more seamless than ever. Kia hasn't just focused on efficiency, the EV9 delivers on power as well. With dual motors and all-wheel drive, the EV9 offers 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric SUVs in its class. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or exploring rugged terrains, the EV9's adaptive suspension and intelligent terrain management ensure a smooth, controlled drive. The EV9 isn't just about performance, it's practical, too. With generous cargo space and flexible seating, you can easily load up for family road trips, outdoor adventures, or just about anything life throws at you. Plus, with a towing capacity of over 5,000 pounds, the EV9 can handle trailers, boats, or other heavy loads with ease. Safety is a top priority, and the Kia EV9 is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems to give you peace of mind on every journey. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance technology help prevent accidents before they happen. The 360-degree camera system and remote smart parking assist make parking in tight spots a breeze, even when you're not in the car. And can we talk about those lights? The LED headlamps with Kia's signature tiger face design give the EV9 a distinctive, futuristic look, while the customizable taillight patterns ensure that you'll always stand out on the road, day or night. The Kia EV9 represents more than just a leap forward for Kia, it's a leap forward for electric vehicles. With its bold design, powerful performance, eco-conscious interior, and cutting-edge technology, the EV9 is ready to take on the challenges of tomorrow while delivering the luxury, convenience, and safety you expect today. So, if you're looking for a powerful, eco-friendly SUV that blends innovation with style, look no further than the Kia EV9. The future is electric, and the EV9 is leading the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content.